type on record. Thank you very much. So welcome on board, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, my name is Leader Aminata, a crypto trader and Royal Q user since 2021. I'm an Ivorian Ghanaian living in Paris, the city of love. Okay, so I'm glad tonight to be your host so that together we learn, then together we earn. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are part of the Royal Q community, which is the Royal Q revolution, may you be very, very happy because you are lucky among so many people. Because what we are teaching here, some people request for payment, but we teach it free to everyone. Okay, so I'm trying to put on my tools together because this phone is a new phone that I'm using. Okay, so let me share my screen. So today we are going to learn different way to also earn. Learn and earn always, as I always say. We are going to learn different way to also learn. We are going to learn different way to earn in our crypto trading journey. Okay, so here we use Royal Q as a tool, as a service provider to trade our cryptos. I'm trying to share my screen. I'm trying to share it, and just a minute, please. Partager, share. What is telling me here? Share what? Just a minute. Zoom. Okay, let me write it here. Share Zoom. Great. Okay, to allow. Okay, great. I hope you are seeing my screen. Let me see whether you are seeing my screen, and also, okay. Let me see. Somebody says no sound. Let me see. Just a minute, please. Okay, please, my co-host. Am I loud and clear? Am I loud and clear? Because I'm seeing somebody saying that I'm not loud and clear. Am I loud and clear?
My Trini, please, you are loud and clear. I think the person should move out of the Zoom and rejoin.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you. So, guys, today we are going to learn something different. It's something that we have already in on our chat. If you are using Royal Q or you are using TradingView to check your points to make your technical analysis, okay? But maybe you ignore it, and it's very, very important. So in this period that we are living now, because of what is going on around us in the world, the market is not too much stable. It has been always somehow like not, it doesn't respect the technical analysis. But if you are smart and you control your emotions, you can get something. You can win maybe 7/10 trades or 6/10 trades, which is not bad. So I mean, if you win 7 trades and you lose 4 or 3, it's not bad because you win more than you lose. Okay. And if you are a spot trader, then you have nothing to lose. All you need is to have the patience. So today we are going to learn about how to make the perfect entries and also to get the patience and win something from the market. Okay. So if you are trading, you have to be organized. Every trader is unique. You have to get your selections of points that you want to trade. Okay? Don't go by because B is saying this one is best. I'm going to B tomorrow. You go to C, D, E, and so on. So that one means you are distracted and you'll be going round like this, round without getting your goals. So I'm going to share my screen. Let me go here. I hope my screen is shared. Let me go to my TradingView app. I'll make it simple for everybody to get it, even though you are new. And I'll speak the English, the easier way, the easier way possible for you to understand it. Okay. So first of all, if you want to start your journey by doing your own by yourself, I mean, maybe selecting your coins or generating your signals, you have to know that we have many steps to go through. First step is a must for you to have TradingView app. Second step is a must for you to set it according to your region, the country where you are. And I am sure my partners, which is my colleagues, explain everything, and it's recorded on our Royal Q Revolution. Also, I have some on my channel, which is Aminata Crypto World. So you can get it on both Royal Q Revolution and Aminata Crypto World. If you go there, my own is in French and English, so you have to look for the English videos. If you need money, you have to pay the price, which is you have to give it a time to make the money. Okay, so here, after setting your TradingView app, we have the video on it. The next step is to add on your selections of coins. Okay, and on the TradingView app, we have the free part and we have the payment part. This account here is the payment part that I'm using. So on your free part, you can only use two sites to get two watch lists, which is here. Where is the red flag? You can create a watch list there. There is a space here where you can add your coins. Okay, your favorite coins. You see here, I have added some here: WLD, Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, which is, for example, if you the learner or you are a beginner, you can put here on the red flag here your selection of maybe future coins, and the other side you put your selections of the other coins that maybe if you want to trade in the spot market. So let's go on the spot side. Okay, so when I tap on it, you will see here that majority of the coins here are USDT, USDT slash USDT slash USDT, USDT. Okay, once again, my co-host, if I'm out of the Zoom, may you send me a message to remind me so that I'll be back. So you will see USDT, USDT, USDT. It's only this one up there. These two, few two, or this and this that are on .p, which means the future coins that we trade in the future market. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, if you come and you put your selection of coins, okay, which type of coins? If maybe you are new in the crypto trading space, or you are a new member of Royal, or you don't know how to read the market, I will advise you and recommend you to put as favorite coins the top 30 or top 40 of the coin market cap. I explained it in my last Zoom. The coin market cap is an application where you will see you can be able to get all the existing cryptocurrency and tokens in the crypto space. Okay, so when you go there, it's giving you from first to the 100. First to the 100. I don't have the application on this phone. As I say, it's a new phone. You will see from number 1 to the number 100, which is, it always starts with Bitcoin number 1, followed by maybe Ethereum, Solana, XRP, other Cardano, and so, okay, Aave, and so. But make sure you select the top 30, because on your free part of this TradingView, you can only put in between 26 and 30 coins. I think 26 coins, if I'm not mistaken. So even though with 26 coins, you are good to go. Okay, you don't need to have thousands of coins to make the money. Even with the 26 coins, you are good to go. So you can upload like 26 coins here. Then you scroll to the other side where this red flag is. You can also enjoy that place and put another 26 coins. So as you can see here, these are cryptos that I picked from the first top 30. You are seeing them here. Now, If you are trading in the spot, okay, and maybe you want to make some profit, you can also use it in the future market, but you have to know the kind of coins, because there are some tokens and some coins that are easily manipulated by the exchanges or the worlds, and they don't respect the analysis that maybe you'll be doing. Yeah, I call those ones pump and dump coins, coins that can make you easily 100% or 200%, 150. You have to know that the same way it gives you that 100 or 200% profit, it can dump you in a blink of eye, which is in a blink of seconds. Okay, so that one is called catch and run. You have to be very fast and smart. If you don't know what you are doing, then I will advise you to not go there. If not, you will cry pepper, or it will carry you back to the village. Okay, so as we can see here, these are the top 30 or 40 coins that I put here, which are Ave, Near, Adakadano, Bong, Pepe, and so they are among the 100. Okay, so these ones that I put, the tokens, they are my favorite ones. Okay, so when you put them on your how do you call it, on your TradingView app, and you want to trade them. Now I'm explaining if you want to trade and you are a spot trader. Okay, you come here, you simply come here on this three dot here. So as you can see, they are arranged by percentages. Here it's telling you this one is 102%. This one, WLD, is on 9%. This one is on 2%. So you have to range them in order from big percentage to the lower percentage. It's like from biggest price to the lowest price. Okay. So when you type there, you type on what we call sort by. Sort by what? Sort by what? Sort by what? We have sort by symbols, sort by change, sort by flag, sort by extend hours, sort by market cap, sort by volume. You come and take the one with percentage here. If you don't know how to read, just look at this percentage here. Sort by percentage. You want the system to range for you by percentage. So when you type on it, you will see that it will either give you the ones doing good up and the ones doing bad down. So if you want to change and you want the ones doing bad up, then you tap the same place and it will range them for you. Okay, now listen. So now it's like we are new learners. Okay, so sort by percentage. Don't rush and say, because my money is there, my money is not trading, I have or I must trade. No, it doesn't work like that. Take your time. Always target when they are in red. I mean the top 30 or 40 coins of the market cap. Always target when they are in red. For example, today, they are majority doing well. Here, the selection of coins are all in green. I hope you are all seeing it. But yesterday, they were all in red. The market was bad. I don't mean all the market, but my selections of coins that I had here were all doing bad. So it is in the bad, during the bad period, that I make profit. Okay, that I personally make profit on my spot coins. So when you come here, you range them. So let me show you some examples. Yesterday, all these ones that you are seeing here, they were doing bad. This WLD was on negative 9%. You see today it is in green, positive 9. Okay, this one was in negative. They were all in negative, all negative. So when you see them in negative, which is they are in minus, I mean like this. Let's scroll down. I mean, you see here, this is minus 1.4%, minus 0.87, minus 0.7, minus 0.12. So once you see them in minus in red, like here it is in green. The way you see it in green, I'm explaining it in an easier way for the new ones to understand. The way you see it in green, in minus, Once you see it in red, -9, like -9, you have to target it. -9, from -8 and above, you have to target them to position yourself. Okay, I don't mean the top and dump ones. I mean these selections of ones, the top 30. Now, yesterday, let me take an example on this one doing good. Not this, I don't mean this. From here, WLD. When I tap on it, yesterday, WLD was the one doing bad on the list of selections of ones. So let's go there and see. So as you can see here, I'm on the bigger time frame, which is 4 hours time frame, which is the biggest HTF. HTF means the higher time frame, okay? And LTF means the lower time frame. So maybe if somebody send a graphic like this and follow it by message, all those words, they just pick the first letters of each word and add them together, okay? HTF, higher time frame, LTF, lower time frame, and so, okay. So here you can see that it is on the bigger time frame. So if you want to check the general overview on that asset, you use the bigger time, you use a big time frame, okay, to check the overview. Okay, then you use the medium one, which is 1 hour, to monitor and see when to take your decision. Then you check the smallest one to make your entry. Okay, so here I'll make it very simple to you. You see that today, which date is today? Today's date is 28th of March. Okay, so each candle on the graphic here stands for 1 hour. So it means each candle form from each 4 hours. Each candles appear after each 4 hours. So where can you find it? You see the counting bar here. So you see here, it means the next candle will appear in next 1 hour and 31 minutes. Okay, so this is the bigger, for me, the bigger time frame that I'm checking here. So let's assume today was yesterday, that the coin was on -9. Let me show you by tapping on the candle. So when I press this candle here, you will see that it's showing me 28. When I shift it back to the next one, next before the last, it's showing me the 27. Let's go back 28 here, 28 here, back here is 28. Let's go back 27. So you see the 27, the one on 27, this one, 27, this last one. You see this one. The second, the last but one, the red one. Okay. So the two first red ones, yes. I mean these ones. When you tap here, it was 27, 1 a.m. in the morning. 1 a.m., which is my country here. 1 a.m. Okay, so before that 1 a.m., when I go back to this place, to the second one here, it was at 9 p.m., which is yesterday 9 p.m. Okay, yesterday 9 p.m. Now we are on 4 hours time frame. So as we can see, the market, the coin was doing bad. If they say bad, it is showing you A plus B that it was down, really down. That's why I said it was the one doing bad on the list. Okay, so now it is the one doing bad. So when you see it doing bad, for you to maybe take your decision, then you add the indicator to make your confirmation or get your confidence. Okay, so now you can use what we call the ABCDB1 and the smart money concept. The smart money concept. Now, the smart money concept, it shows you what we call. Okay, let me remove the ABCDV1. But before you use the smart money concept, you have to use this ABCDV1 to know that whether the coin is really doing bad or is going up or it's on a consolidation area. Okay, so here on the 4 hours time frame, you will see that it was showing you the lower low, meaning LL, the lowest area on 4 hours time frame, which is, we mean this side of the coin. I don't mean these green candles. So you see the lowest low. Now, after getting the lowest low, you will go and check. I personally go and check the other time frame, which is the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so I mean we are here on this candle. So let me take a marker to mark the place. So I'm going to take what we call the rectangular. Okay, rectangular. The rectangular. Then you come and mark here for you to not be confused, because you are going to change the, how do you call it, the time frame. So I'm just marking it for you to see which candle we are talking about. Okay, I'm talking about this candle. So let's assume we were yesterday. Okay, so I tap on it, then I'm going to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so you see the 1 hour time frame, it is the same, almost the same area, which is here. You see the candle was down here. You see the candles went down, followed by red, 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 red. And this, the WFD was the one in deep, which is -9 on the list. Now, on the 1 hour time frame, it was showing what we call the, sorry guys, the 1 hour time frame, telling you that the coin is on lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. How many lower low? How many lower lows? The lower low is just warning you that the coin is low. The price is low. Low. You see 1, 2, 3, 4 lows. So it means it can move up at any time. Okay. And I entered this coin yesterday. It gave me 3%. So followed by low, 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 low. Now what do you need? You go and look for this the smart money concept. Okay, the smart money concept. Maybe you don't know how to draw support on or resistance line or whatever it is, but you have to also learn it. But when you are seeing it, this coin dropped from from up here, from the 0.32 cents down to 0.25 cents. Okay, dropping down. So it means it can move up at any time. Okay, so now we checked with the ABCDV1 telling us that it is at its lowest low. So now once we check it, you go and remove it, because let's assume we are using the free part. Maybe you are not using the payment part. So you cannot put more than 2 indicators. Your limit of indicators is 2. So if you want to put another one, it means you have to remove one and replace with another one by another one, so that you'll be always getting 2. So now we are going to remove this ABCDV1 for it to not too much confuse us. The screen to not too much confuse us. Okay. Now, after seeing the lower low, lower low, lower low, we are going to use the smart money concept. The smart money concept, okay? The smart money concept, here it is. Sorry, as I said, this phone is new, so it's giving me a headache. The smart money concept, this one here. This one here. So I'm going to remove it and put it back. I will delete it. So once I delete it, you will see with your naked eyes that this coin was somewhere here, consolidating, not shorty here, and start falling down, deep down. Okay, so you go on this 3 dots, then we are going for indicators. When you tap on the indicators, then we are going for favorite, because we have already put them. If you don't have them, then you have to come on technical. You tap on search, then you write smart money concept, SM. Once you write it, it will appear smart, the 3 letters. Sorry, let me remove this here, because it can, smart. When you write the smart, it will appear here with Luxalgo, the Luxalgo. You see smart money concept, but Luxalgo, because we have many. Then you pin it, you tap on the star for it to become yellow or black. So by Putting the star, it means you have put it on, in your favorite, okay? So let's say we put the star. So after putting the star, then you tap on it once. You tap on it once for it to appear on your screen. Okay, now, as I always say, any tool that you are using as a trader, you have to read the principle definition, the sorry for that. You have to read the details. Read the details. So here at your right side, they give you the PDF of every detail on each tool that you want to use on your chart. Because if you don't read the details, you cannot know what or how does it work. So you can tap on the details here and read it. It's the same thing like on Royal Cube. So on the details, you have all the informations here followed by the screenshot, the image. Okay, you have all the information. This my phone is giving me headache. It's not moving. What does BOS means? What does CHOCH means? What does this or that means? They explain everything to you. So BOS means break of structure. This one means change of character. If you don't read it, you cannot understand it. So the informations are here followed by the image. So when you see the image, you read here, then you will see, okay, so this one that I'm saying here, this COH, if I see it here, it means that, it means this. You read it. Then after reading it, you go back to your chart and just notice, just take a note of the image that you are seeing on your chart. Okay, so we are tapping on it. Now let me see whether we are following. Are we following? Where is the Zoom? Are we following? Am I loud and clear? Am I loud and clear, please? Okay. Okay.
Yes,
If
you
I'm loud and
are
clear,
very loud and clear, leader.
great. Thank you very much. Okay, now let's go back to the class. So here, I'm going back to it. So once after you read the details here, any data that you read, you run to the chart by tapping here and go and check it. Okay, this one that I read here, they say BOC. If BOC do this, it means traders are doing that or traders are doing this. Then you go there and you check it. But if you read it without going on your chart to check it in live, you cannot get it. Okay, so here we are back. Let me remove this. I will remove it and make it very easy and simple for you. Okay, this smart money contract is an indicator that shows us the discount area, we have the equilibrium, and we have the high wick and the low wick, which is the strong wick and the lower wick. Okay, yeah, BOS. You see, if I didn't read it, how could I know that it means break of structure? If I didn't read it, this EQL. Sometimes you will see EQ and not the full name. If I didn't read the details, I could not know what it means. Okay. The discount, if I didn't read it, I could not know what it means. The higher wick. Okay. So you have to read it. So now I will break it down and make it easier for you. When you are trading, you want to make your entry. Make sure, step one, if you are a spot trader, range your coins and let it be the one doing bad. I don't mean any coin, not all those pump and dump coins. Those 30 top or 40 top coins in the coin market, either they are, even though they are slow to give you profit, but they will always make you win. They will not deceive you. Okay, so here using the smart money contract, the important places that you're supposed to take very note, okay, are the lower wick, which is the discount area, the strong wick, which is the higher high, okay, and the equilibrium, which is the middle. Is like, if I want to compare it, I'm comparing it to this stochastic RSI. We have the lowest area, which is the how do you the oversold area, We have the highest area, which is the overbought area, and we have the middle way, which is the 50% of the journey is similar to this, okay? So here is the highest, here is the lowest, here is the medium, and this place is the break of structure, okay? Now, if you want to buy the coin as a learner or as a beginner, always make sure to buy at the discount area. I hope I'm loud and clear. Always make sure to buy at the discount area, because the discount area is where the whales and the big institutions buys or invest the money into the market. Okay? And in the market, the traders who are the ones who control is the whales, because they put big money. They put millions of money, millions of dollars. So it affects the market. It can change the character of the market. Than you and I that maybe put $1,000 or maximum 50,000 or 50, in between 50 and 100,000 cannot do anything to the market. Okay, you cannot compare yourself to those whales and institutions. So if you want to follow the trend, always also follow where big men or big areas, or how do you call it, big people or rich men buy in the market. So they always buy at the discount area. So what is the discount area? It is at the lower wick. Are you seeing it? Lower wick. It follows by this green bar here, and down there is written discount. Okay, so now you, the trader, even though you are using the free part of this how do you call it, this application, you come here to this pencil, you tap on this pencil, and you can even mark that place. Why do you need to mark it? You need to mark it because of your future decision on that same coin, maybe that deliver profit for you today. I hope the message is clear. If you are trading a coin, or you are trading coins that are giving you profit, making you win once you enter them, don't forget them, or don't put them in the box and close them. No, you have to always mark where they gave you the profit, from where you bought it, and from where it gave you that profit before it returns back down. So remember, crypto always repeats what it did in the past. It will always repeat it in the future. So as an organized trader, you can use your tools and always mark which side gave you the profit, or which side is, or this teacher said this place is the discount area, so let me mark it. So if tomorrow maybe I don't have the indicator, I can use my mark that I marked there to check the future on that coin. Then you can take your horizontal line and mark this place of the, how do you call it, of the discount area where you want to buy. Or what will you do? You can also use, how do you call it, this tool called the rectangular here. Rectangular in the search bar, rectangular. Okay, so here it is. Wait, rectangular. See, okay, rectangular. So any tool that you are using, make sure you star it. Once you put the star and you come and look for it here, it will appear on your screen. So rectangular. Then you mark from here, this place, from this place of the bar, then you scroll it here. Then you tap on your screen once. So leave it there like this. You don't remove it, don't do anything, you just leave it. So anytime in the future of this coin, if this coin go and do the shakara up to the mountains up there, it will definitely come back down. So on its way coming back down, if you want to target it and wait for it, then you go in the past and see, so this place was the discount area. So let me wait for it to touch there, then I enter. So let's assume today was yesterday. So you see, this coin has gone down to the discount area. Let me show you, to the discount area. So if somebody entered it yesterday at this place, price range, you see at the discount area here, this place, the person could have made 9% today. 9 or 10% from that yesterday and today. You see, you're easy 9 and 10%. So once you buy it on the discount area, or if you are targeting the discount area, use the big time frame, which is 4 hours or 1 hour, and check it. So you see, it touched the discount. It couldn't break it down. What started here? It's going up. Now, on its way going up, it can go minimum to halfway, which is the equilibrium side. The equilibrium side of the journey. Then it can retrace back. So don't be deceived by seeing maybe red candle going down or whatever it is, and maybe say, no, it will not go there, but it will surely go there. So because of what we are going through now these days, the market is not too much stable. You take your 3%, then you leave it there and go and target another one. Or if you have possibility, your money can make you trade 2 or 3 coins at the same time. Then you take your 3 coins, then you take them, you position yourself, and you just wait calmly. It will surely go to that place. So I hope the message is clear. Now, let's see another coin. I'm going back. That was WLD. Let's see, for example, this, which one? Theta, okay? I will tap on it. You see, the same thing. It was there. Let me show you. You see the discount area? It touched the, sorry. Okay, any other one, either ICP. Are you seeing it? You see, we are on the same 1 hour time frame. You see, the discount area, it touched there. Even though it doesn't come and touch this place, once it hit this green bar here of the discount, you enter the coin. Open your margin calls and wait for it. I mean the spot traders, okay? You enter it. So even though you want to trade in the future, you can also give it a try. If you don't give it a try, you don't know, you cannot know whether it will work for you or not. So here you see it is the spot coins. Now let's go in the future ones, those same coins, but in the future market, and see what also happened there. I'm tapping on it, then I'm going to the future coins. The future coins. So you see the future coins, which one will I choose? Let me pick BNB or Solana. BNB, I tap on it. What are you seeing here? It is the same thing. The same thing. This is 1 hour time frame. Okay, let me put it on 1 hour time frame. You see 1 hour time frame, it's hit the discount area. What happened? Even though it was going up and retraced back down, but it continued going up. Okay, so on its way going up, if you see that it meets this place, changing of character, you see it, you just scroll down or you take your profit to that changing of character. Then once you take your profit, if the character didn't change or it breaks that area of changing of character going up, then you enter again to maybe another level. Then if you make your second entry, you have to go and bring out the ABCD V1. Let me see what that is there. You have to bring out the ABCD V1. So I'm going to the ABCD V1. I tap on it and I'm going back. So now you see, by using the smart contract man, you enter here, it reached this place, the lower high of that indicator. So it means once you take it from the lower wick of the smart contract, you can stop yourself at the lower high and wait and see whether will it retrace. Then after retracing, will it come back up? So once it retraces and it shows you the dodges that will be warning you that something will change in the market, wait to see another new bullish candle to form. A new bullish candle to form. Then at the end of that bullish candle, you enter from the second bullish candle to the next what you will see on the ABCDV1, either higher high or lower high. You take your profit there. So you see what happened. It started here from the how do you call the discount area, but even though it is doing what we call the zigzag, when you draw your trend line, you see the zigzag, but it's still going up. Are you seeing it? So now you can also go and take this tool called the parallel channel. French say canal parallel. This tool, I mean this one. Okay, let's go for it and see. Parallel channel. You can pick it here. When you pick it, just a minute, I'll scroll this one here first. Sorry. You pick it, wait, let me first remove it. Okay. You see here. Or you take a trend line, either the parallel channel or a trend line. So the parallel channel, once the point is moving in the uptrend, then you draw the line from down to up. But if it's moving to the downtrend, then you draw it from up to down. I repeat, by using this tool, if the coin is moving up, then you fix your line from here to up. But if it's moving down like this, then you have to fix the line from up to down. Okay, so now we see that it's going up. So you fix it down here. From down here, you tap on it, then you move up. Okay, once you move up slowly, you tap on it once and you open it like this. You open it. Okay, so this tool can also help you. This parallel channel, we have three lines. We have the up one, the medium, and the lower one. So once it moves, you see here, it moved from down one, came on the medium one, came down, up, down, up. So as far as doing the zigzag doesn't break this down. It means it will continue. So once you take your profit by using the higher time frame, for example here, you see, for example here, what did I say? It started from the lower low, it hit the lower high, went down. Again, it couldn't come back here. It started another higher high, went down. Now it's going back to this higher high. So you can be taking your profit down, up, down, up till this equilibrium area, and you stop yourself because you have to stop somewhere. If not, it can bring you back to the village. So I hope it is clear for you, and I hope we have learned something. We have learned another way to scalp the market and to also be winning. Remember, learning is earning. You learn, you earn. You learn, you earn. This tool, I was having it since almost 2 years, but I didn't go in details, in the deep details to understand it properly. What I was knowing is just from green here to red here, but I couldn't know that we have the break of character, we have break of structure, we have the equilibrium, which is halfway. But do you know who teach me? It is my downline. I don't shy from learning from others. Either you are my downline or you are a newcomer. As far you have a knowledge to share, that will give me money, I'm ready to follow you. Okay, so that is the only way you can earn in this industry of crypto. So thank you very much, guys. Next week we will learn about how do you call it, the pivot standard. We have it in Royal Q, but sometimes we ignore it. So let me make a briefing for you because we still have 5 minutes here. I mean this, when you come on Royal Q here and you don't want to maybe bother yourself to make the technical analysis, or you don't know, you can use these tools here. Let me go on. Let me go. You see the file, I pick it today because it was on the equilibrium. It was on the, how do you call it? It was on the, let's go there. It was on the discount area. So let me show you. The 555, where is it? I hope I'm in the Zoom. Where is 5? Let me see 5 here. Okay, 5 is here. Just a moment. 5, you see 5? It is in red on the list. When I come here, you see, when I picked it, it was somewhere here on the discount area. Now what's going on? Even though it's doing the zigzag consolidated, but at least it will go and reach this place. So from here, I can take easily, let's say, let me see, price range. I entered it somewhere here. You see, somewhere here to here, I can easily take 2%. You see, 2.14%. I can easily take 2%. So I can even go and reduce my take profit. I put 2.5, but I can reduce it to 2% for it to sell it fast for me. So that is it, ladies and gentlemen. So next week, we are going to learn this place. Many of you, many of us, I don't mean many of us ignore this place. Wait, let me pick one coin. For example, Ave. I mean here, when you come here, all these numbers that are here, all these names that are here, they are different indicators that Royal Q put into its system. But if you don't know how to use this place or you don't understand it, you will be losing, you will be also missing out. So here you see indicator technique, technical indicator, pivot point, and here we have the moving average. My friend, my screen is in French. That's why you are seeing it. Moving average means moyen mobile, indicator technique, and pivot. So these are 3 indicators that you can also apply here once you see the prices and enter it from one price to another price. From one price to another price. So you see here, it's telling you S3, S2, S1, R1, R2, R3. What does it mean? Some of you don't know. Yes, S means support, 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 pivot, resistance, resistance, resistance. So from one resistance to another, from one support to another support, it is from one price to another price, from one price to another price. So once you check here by using pivot standard, you can come and check the current price of the coin, then enter it and preset from this current price, may it sell to this future price. So it's very important to also know that part of it. So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for giving me your time and listening to what I had to share to you. May you stay blessed. I wish you all happy trade and Viva Royal Q. So if you have 1 or 2 questions, just feel free to raise your hand or drop it in the chat. Then I will reply you. Thank you. Okay, let me read the questions here. Let me read the questions. Okay, this question: Are we to enter the trade in 1 hour or 15 minutes? As I explained, I don't know whether you came late. You take the bigger time frame, which is the highest time frame, to look the overview, to check the overview. It means I'm checking the asset. How far is it going? Is it going up? Is it on a downtrend? Is it on an uptrend, or it is on a consolidation area? You take the bigger time frame. Then you take after checking the bigger time frame, knowing where the position of the coin is, now you go and take the other one, which is 1 hour time frame, because you cannot stay just on 15 minutes. You just go straight 15 minutes and you enter. No. What about 15 minutes is short time frame? If 15 minutes is telling you the coin will go up and 1 hour or 4 hours telling you the coin will go down, you go and enter on 15 minutes expecting it going up, it will go down. Then sometimes it will carry you to the village if maybe you are greedy or you don't control your emotions. So you have to look the 3 aspects of the different time frames. Then you take your decision with the smaller time frame. But among these 3 time frames, the higher time frame always win. It always win. It's just a matter of time. I hope the message is clear. I hope my answer is clear for you. The bigger time frame always win. Yes, in general, the bigger time frame always win, because the shorter time frame, we just go short in a short time and go back up. Short in a short time, but the bigger time frame, if it's telling you that the coin will go up, then it will go up, but it's just a matter of time. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Coach, repeat a little bit about how to navigate on discount. I don't know whether you came late, please, but this Zoom is recorded, so you can get it on the Royal Q Revolution YouTube channel. Okay, you can get it there, then you watch it again and again and again. Then you maybe get the answer to your question. Okay, the next question is, thank you so much, Manida, for the training and your precious time. Remain blessed. Thank you, and stay blessed also. Yeah, Viva Royal Q. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you all. Go and try it, ladies and gentlemen. You know, French, there is an expression that says, "Il faut battre le fer quand c'est chaud." It means if you want to, I don't know, you have to beat the iron when it is hot. Don't make it cold before you beat it, because if it is hot, maybe it can melt and you can form it as what you want. So it means after this Zoom, go on your TradingView and go and practice. It doesn't mean go and trade. That is what I used to tell my students when I'm teaching them. It doesn't mean I'm going to trade it. For example, if Aminata came and teach us this, okay, now if the Zoom and I'm going on my TradingView, when I come on my TradingView, okay, Aminata said, in Aminata class, she said, we use ABCDV1 and the smart money contract. So Aminata said, this coin or this asset, if I see any asset on my watch list that is in red, which is showing red, which is the big negative, then I go for it. I go and target it. It means I'm going to follow them. I'm going to follow it. So I pick one or two. Then Aminata said, when I come on it, I have to target the discount area. So it means I'm going to see whether is the coin going to the discount area. Then I use the indicator that she explained to show the discount area. Then once I put it, I go and take a line to draw at the discount area, or I simply take a tool to fix it on the discount area that Aminata said. So this is the discount area. Here is written discount. It means this area is the lower wick, which is cheap. Discount, what does discount mean? Discount means something that is cheap. They are doing don't go me. Something that the price is maybe $100, but at the discount area, it is $5 or $10. So what does it mean? It means you have to target $5. Will you go and buy something at 100 while they are telling you that the price can go to $5? No. So I'm going to target $5. So I'm going to draw my line on the $5 area where if the price reaches, may I buy? Then I fix it like this. So these candles that is going up, if you like, may go heaven and earth. If you like, may go Jerusalem. If you like, may go Iran, or how do you call it, in Russia or US. It will definitely come back to the discount area. I wait for it simple. Once it's at the discount area, then I enter. Then if it's going up, I take my simple 3%, then I'm done. I'm moving to the next or the other ones. If you repeat it on 2 or 3 points, don't just buy it. You just draw your line. If you see the point, then at the discount area, I'm going to take my price range and measure it to 3% from here, from where the current discount price is, to 3%. This is 3%. You see? Let me show you something. Let me remove this. Sometimes it usually happens in the night. In the night, when the market change the price, or when the market crash or doing good, it always crash in the midnight. That is where market is sweet. You see, where the new day starts. If you are using 1 day time frame, which is when the new candle, the market start, when they open the market. So you come here to this place. I don't have the money, but I'm going to draw my 3% here. Tack, 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 tack to this place. You see? Are you seeing the rectangular that I draw? From even here to halfway of the rectangular, how much? 5%. You see? Then I put it there. Then I go and sleep. Okay, I save it. So tomorrow when I wake up, I'll come and check whether that 5% that I expected, did the green candle reach there? If it reached that place, then it means I win a trade. Even though I didn't trade it, I win it. I'm going to repeat it to so many points in so many times, maybe during 1 week. If that 1 week journey, that I'm giving a try make me win like 10 or 20 points and maybe 3 first, it means what I learn as I'm practicing it, it is doing well. So the day I have the money, I can do it in real life. But if you come on Zoom, one leg out, one leg in, once the Zoom is over, bam, it closed. Even though the owner of the Zoom go and pick the video, record it, come and put in the group, drop in the group, he will not say thank you, I have watched it. Oh, my leader Doris or Coach Mopua or leader Aminata, the Zoom, the record of the Zoom, I have watched it, but I didn't understand this part. What does this part mean? You take a screenshot, you send in the group. Few of you are doing it. The remaining 90%, you are not doing it. Now, if people trade and bring big percent or big profit, you will be acting like you don't even know what is going on. How much capital? Since how long? But when they were doing the Zoom, giving you a chance to come and make the money in your future, you will underestimate it or you will ignore it. Now, whose fault? It's working for others. Why is it not working for you? That is the question that you're supposed to ask yourself. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Go and try it. Give it a try. Give it a try doesn't mean you have to trade it. If you don't have the money or your coins are in floating loss, don't go and sit down there and say, the day my coins come out from floating loss, then I'll come and apply what I learned from the Zoom. Sometimes you come and ask for Zoom or record of video that we did 20 years ago, and you are expecting your upline or your mentor to go and look for it for you. Why they show you road that the Zoom is on, the record is on this YouTube channel. This is where it is. So you have to give it a time to learn it. You have to really respect it and learn it, because if we are coming and sharing it to you, it means it is working. Thank you once again. Viva Royal Q and have a nice weekend. Bye.